If you want to use a knife to open clamshell packaging, you know it's sometimes hard when you put the knife blade in. It sometimes goes into the product and it scratches your product. If you want to do it a little more safe, you can use a VICTORINOX Swiss Army knife. Use the can opener and just put a bevel, a knife edge on this part here. If you'll do that, you'll just be able to hook into your clamshell packaging and just draw it around. So that's what I'll do now. I'll grind away this part here. Okay, so after I ground away this inner edge right here, you can just hook it into your clamshell package and just drag it, and it's much safer than using a knife.